Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's fix Perplexity AI keeps asking for password. So first of all, what you have to do is launch your application. Make sure that you are logged into your account and you will see a page like this. In here, you're going to have to clear the chats. So go ahead, scroll through your chats from your initial on your top left. If you think some chats are not important, go ahead and delete them. Next, head over to your Play Store and then search for Perplexity. At times when your application is not updated, it might also show you various errors. So if you see update, select update and update your app. Lastly, what you could try is long tap onto your application, select the eye icon. Here scroll below and go for storage, clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, I also recommend you to delete the data. Go ahead, select delete. Now come back onto app info page. Here select force stop, select OK. Now go ahead, restart your device, launch your Perplexity, get logged into your account again, and it will work.